Hello everyone, welcome to Carrot 254 Foodie. So today I'll be showing you how to make tamarind porridge. So the first thing you do, you take your tamarind and then you soak it in water. Just going to separate a little bit so that it can all soak in, and then we are going to give it around 15 minutes, then it is well soaked. After it has well soaked, now we are going to squeeze the tamarind so that we can get the good juice. At this point, after squeezing out the juice, now we are going to sieve it so that we cannot have any particles from the tamarind. So we are just going to squeeze out, to sieve rather, so that we can get a clear juice. So the tamarind juice is ready. So what you're going to do, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of porridge powder and mix it together so that now we can be able to start preparing the hot porridge. So we have our water that has already reached the boiling point. We are going to add our mixture and then we start preparing and stirring continuously. So if you don't want to get lumps in your porridge, it's very important to continue stirring when it's still in the cooking pot so that you don't get lumps. So keep stirring consistently until you are able to see that it is well cooked. Our porridge is almost ready, but before that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, powdered sugar. So you can add sugar according to your taste and preference. For me, at this point, I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and continue stirring consistently. Our porridge is ready. As you can see, it is very good. Even you can see the consistency, it is very good. So kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing cooking videos. You know, we want this channel to really grow. We are expecting at least at the end of the year we reach 1,000 subscribers. So kindly subscribe to this channel, and also you can share this video, you can like, so that it can gain more audience. So thank you so much for your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.